Sorry, so this is the Vitek group booth.
Yeah, Litepanels is part of the Vitek group.
Okay.
It's one of the group brands.
Right.
Vitek group is their aim is to get the best companies for around the camera.
Right.
It's from Sackler, O'Connor,
yep.
Litepanels, Vinton, Anton Bauer, everything that would be related to around the camera.
Right.
That's part of our group, so we can offer the complete solution for anything related around the camera.
Cool. And I guess I'm coming from the still photography world, so you guys also handle, I guess, like Manfrotto, Avenger,
yes, exactly.
and Gitzo.
Okay. We're here today with the Videocom division. There's also the imaging and staging division where Manfrotto sit.
Right.
And the third division is the services, which is Bechtel, which is the largest rental and rental house and broadcast rental house in America.
Okay, wow. No, I was not aware, but that's cool.
That's the third.
Actually, sorry, what's your name?
My name's Specer Newbury.
Hi,
I'm the product and application manager for Europe, Middle East, and Africa.
Wow. Okay. Cool.
Based in Holland.
And you wanted me just to talk to your sales guy. This is much better.
Oh, you might want to buy a light.
Well, I'm in the market. I actually use some RE Lowcasters myself.
Okay.
But I'm always looking for new products. So.
Okay.
But actually, tell me about what you have in your hand here.
Well, what we have here, this is the last stage prototype for our first ever LED Fresnel. This is a solar ENG.
All right.
Solar is our new series of Fresnel-based LED products. Before, we've always had panels with LEDs with their own lenses.
Yes.
But this is a 30-watt power consumption, which actually gives you the equivalent of around a 250-watt focusable from 10 degrees to 70.
Right.
Heat-free, daylight corrected, 5,600 Kelvin. For instance, it comes with the DTAP for onboard mounting, for onboard camera mounting, but also obviously if you want to run and gun with it, if you have an assistant, you can get 3 hours use on a Dionic 90, Anton Bauer Dionic 90, because you're only pulling 30 watts.
Cool. And does it have an XLR input as well, or just the?
No, it's straight DTAP, put wide.
Oh, is it straight? Oh,
yeah.
Okay, sure. So it's permanently connected. Okay, cool.
Yeah, it comes with a carry bag.
Okay.
It comes with barn doors. It comes then with 3 filters: a full CTO, quarter CTO, and a diffusion.
Right.
Basically, just clicks on the front, and a hot shoe, ball mount hot shoe for camera mount on for ENG guys. It will come with the option to run on DC in the present future, and also with option for a stand mount to actually put it on a tripod if you want to use it more as a working film light rather than an onboard camera.
Cool.
I can tell you as well, it's also dimmable from 0 to 100%. Without any change in color temperature or any change in the color shift.
Cool. And I guess what is total weight? Well, what is weight of just the head?
The weight of the head is.
Okay.
It is. Just 0.28 kilograms.
Okay, excellent.
No, it weighs nothing. And what is nice is it's completely heat-free.
Oh, that's nice.
No, I just want. We don't sell direct. If you go to the website, you can then check where your dealer locator to find out your place. Yes, sir.
Awesome. I guess so. Okay, so permanently. I guess what is this panel that's underneath here? Oh, that's just the.
That's just the plate for the battery. Yeah.
Okay, and then so is this they call it gold mount or something like that?
Yeah, this is a gold mount.
Okay.
Simple.
Okay.
Basically, what you can also have from Anton Bauer now is the Unipack.
Okay.
Which is the belt version. I've got that running on our ring light at the moment. It just gives you an idea of more and more HDSLR guys are running around with DSLR.
Right.
But then with this, with a battery power, you can then run your camera and ring light with one battery.
Okay.
And you're getting about an hour with the camera and the battery, about an hour and a half full usage.
Okay, so back to the battery though. Like, what is total maximum wattage?
This is a 90 watt. This is a straight Dionic 90 watt battery.
Oh wow. Okay. Cool.
Of course, this is slightly different. This is the Unipack from Anton Bauer with the XLR 4-pin XLR power cable.
Right.
But also they do versions where they actually can power a 5D or a 7D, as well as the ring light.
Oh, okay. So really one light for the business.
Portable, you've just got everything powering camera and ring light on a belt.
Right.
And it weighs hardly anything. It's probably about, again,
cool.
Around about 4.4 kilo, half a kilo.
Okay, sounds good. I guess one thing that really interests me is color temperature adjustable LEDs.
Okay.
So.
We have then, it's been out now about a year and a half. This is our 1x1 bi-color.
Okay.
This is actually now, everything we make from 1x1s is also modulated from a 1x1 to 2x1 to 3x1, 3x2 up to 4x4.
Okay.
4x4 is then 16 panels. So for instance, that would give you the equivalent of a very soft 6 kilowatt lamp, daylight, but only pulling around 740 amps, 40 watts, sorry.
Okay.
This version of bi-color has one set of daylight LEDs, 5600, but also then incorporates in between those daylight 576 tungsten corrected for 8200 Kelvin. Again, completely dimmable, no change in the ship, and basically just dial in where you want to go. Comes with DMX built in, so you can basically just run all the units daisy chain. In the back here, we have DMX in, DMX out. Basically, we just set the address bar here.
Right.
What is also very nice about this feature on the bi-color, this is our address bar normally for the DMX. What I can actually do, if I select 8 as the first digit, that will actually override the manual capability of the color. I can then, in units of 100, select the color temperature I wish to have.
Okay.
So I have 8. That's my key number for overriding manual. Now I go to automatic, and in units of 100, I can now dial in the Kelvin I wish.
Okay.
So, for instance, you're in an area and you set your white balance on your camera to the ambient lighting, and for instance, you want 4,900.
Right.
So basically, you want all your lamps to match the ambient situation. You want 4.9. We select 8, and then we go to 4. This is at the moment it's 4.6, which is 4,600 Kelvin. 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, 4,900 Kelvin. I go to the next unit. I select 8. I go 4.9.